Hi friends, welcome to Do Friendly training session. How to become brand friend. Setup training in 3 minutes. First, go to Play Store and click on search menu and search for Do Friendly. Once you type Do Friendly, click on search. You will find Do Friendly app mobile application which is created by Sulegai Mobile Apps Private Limited. Click on this Do Friendly and click on install. Based upon your internet speed, the download will be speed will be dependent upon. Once the download is completed, click upon open. So you can see that the application was installing and now you can click on open. Do Friendly is an application which can be used for 3 main objectives. One is you can become a brand friend and refer other businesses. Secondly, you can also list your business into this platform so that you can receive referrals. And third thing is you can talk about any businesses and keep earning with it. So let's get started. To set up the account, first time users need to create an account. To create an account, only the 3 things are required, that is phone number, enter your name and PIN code. Let's enter the phone number. Once you enter the phone number, you can enter your name. And once you enter your name, click on PIN code. You can select the PIN code from the search menu or type as per your convenience and click on the respective PIN code. Just by entering these 3 details, you can sign up. Remember, invite code is not mandatory. If you have invite code, you can enter it. Now, since this user is already a registered user, the account user already exists, it shows us. So if you are a new user, directly it will be redirected to the OTP verification. Since we are already a user, I will be just clicking on already have an account and directly I can sign in by entering my phone number. Now click in sign in. This is the same verification OTP. If you are a first user, directly as soon as you sign up, you will get the verify your phone number thing. Like this, the verification SMS comes and you can enter verification OTP which you receive in your mobile number and click verify. If the verification is successful, then the dashboard is open and you can always allow Do Friendly to access the device location. Click allow. Based upon your location, the nearest businesses will be visible for you. So you can see here at the top of the screen, if the city is not selected, you can always click on this button and click on add location and you can see Bangalore. You can always click here just in case if it is loading too much. And congratulations, you just completed becoming a brand friend.